Okay, this seems like quite a simple question, but actually it's got quite a few different things we need to do. So first thing I'm going to do is find out the area of the sector. Now the sector is like a slice of pizza, so it's the whole thing. And the way of doing that is you do the angle over 360 times pi r squared, so pi times 10 squared, because 10 is our radius. So I'm going to type that in now into my calculator, so 39 over 360 times by pi times 100, and I'm going to leave it in terms of pi, so 65 over 6 pi. Okay, now next thing I need to do is work out the area of the triangle. Now if I show this triangle, so it's going to be the area of this triangle here. Now it might look like I can't do that. Well, actually I can, because this length here is also 10 centimeters, and we know that there's a formula for working out the area of a triangle with using trigonometry. So area of triangle, and the formula is half AB sine C. Now C is the angle, and A and B are the two lengths either side of it. So half times 10 times 10 times sine 39. I'm going to type that into my calculator. And that is 31.4660195. And the reason I write down all the numbers is we've got another piece of calculation, so I don't want a rounding error. Okay, so the area of shaded and the area of the shaded bit is going to be the sector area take away the triangle area. Okay, so 65 over 6 pi take away 31.46. Now I've still got the 31.46, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in 65 over 6 pi, and then I'm going to take away answer because it's still stored in the calculator. Press equals, and it's 2.5679 blah blah blah, and it wants it to two decimal places, so that's 2.57.